How to change your WordPress dashboard color theme easily and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go here, click on your profile, and now click on account settings. After you click on account settings, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do now is scroll down until you find dashboard color theme. Choose one of these templates and click on it. For example, this one. As you can see, you have many templates. After you finish, it will be updated automatically. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.